And the former CNAG's sensational charges have completely rattled the Congress party. Now, a day after the former aviation minister Praful Patel countered Rai's charges, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has refused to comment on this entire controversy. Now, the issue has then turned into a full-blown political fight.
Vinod Rai's direct charge.
The minister was almost coercing Air India to spend a huge amount of money. Now, my question to you, sir, is who is the minister?
See, the Minister of Civil Aviation then was Mr. Praful Patel.
Praful Patel's aggressive rebuttal.
We will be filing defamation, including criminal defamation proceedings against Mr. Vinod Rai.
With charges and defense flying thick and fast, Vinod Rai reacting to the former aviation minister's threat cautiously.
Praful Patel has categorically said that he could also consider legal action against you.
Come up from outside. Please, I have no idea about what has been done. I'll talk to you people leisurely. Aaram se baat karunga. Let me try and find out what has been done. Okay.
And also, even other Congress leaders.
There's no use talking because I don't know what's happened. Okay, we'll talk to you. Tell me more about this.
The former CNAG's revelations in his interview with Times Now's editor-in-chief has led to a heated political battle.
They do their duty, I continue to do my duty.
Please, time now on what Vinod Rai has said on the 2G controversy. He said the responsibility is not at your doorstep.
Well, I don't want to comment.
There has been a vicious attack on you from the former CNAG. This is a marketing. Please.
We have not only bought a large number of planes, but under Mr. Ajit Singh's tenure, we sold it to Etihad at rock bottom price. I think those who are in clear should not hesitate to agree to an inquiry.
Vinod Rai had alleged inaction on the part of the Prime Minister in the 2G scam, accusing him of giving Raja a free hand.
Vinod Rai has said that in his interview to us, he has said Prime Minister was in the know.
And the BJP refusing to let the former Prime Minister off the hook, even dragging in 10 Janpath.
मनमोहन सिंह जी उस जिम्मेवारी से भाग नहीं सकते क्योंकि उनके सामने ये सारा होता रहा, वो समझते रहे और फिर भी उन्होंने उसको मना नहीं किया। 10 जनपद की यानी कांग्रेस पार्टी की भी जिम्मेवारी उसमें बनती है।
Vinod Rai's direct charge was the biggest talking point, and days later, the slugfest over charges refusing to die down. Bureau Report, Times Now.